Aloha Kauai, here's our COVID-19 briefing from Team Kauai for Wednesday, November 4th. We currently have 5 active cases on Kauai, all of whom are in isolation. 2 are currently in the hospital, although we expect 1 individual to be released today. There are currently 12 people in Department of Health directed quarantine as close contacts of the active cases. Our cumulative Kauai case count is now 67 plus 1 probable. Kauai Police and the Hawaii National Guard are tracking approximately 1,700 cases in travel-related quarantine. For additional information, please visit the Kauai Emergency Management Agency website at kauai.gov/COVID-19. The County of Kauai, in partnership with the Hawaii State Department of Health, will provide free COVID-19 community testing at rotating sites every Sunday through the end of the year. These tests are specifically targeted for hospitality industry workers and those who work closely with visitors, but tests are available to all residents, including those who are uninsured. These tests are not part of the state's pre-travel testing program and cannot be used for quarantine exemptions. Testing is available every Sunday from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. from November 8th to December 27th. Participants should register in advance at doineedacovid19test.com. Bring your registration confirmation and an ID. The first 2 testing sites will be November 8th at Vidina Stadium in Lihue and November 15th at the Brian J. Baptiste Sports Complex in Kapa'a. If you're interested in tracking this pandemic in our island community, the State Department of Health has a comprehensive new resource at hawaiicovid19.com/dashboard. Be patient, as this new site holds a lot of data and may take a while to load. It has statewide testing, infection, and fatality numbers, and also has tabs with county-by-county results. The new site is updated at 3 p.m. each day. Again, that's hawaiicovid19.com/dashboard. To help protect our island community, we urge mainland travelers who participated in the state's pre-travel program to take a second post-travel test. Whether you are a resident or a visitor, if you recently traveled from the mainland, we urge you to take a COVID-19 test no sooner than 72 hours after your arrival. The ideal time to take a post-travel test is 5 to 7 days after arrival, but we realize many visitors aren't on island that long, so a test 3 days after arrival is preferred. To qualify for a post-travel test, you must have participated in the state's pre-travel test program. If you have not participated in the state's pre-travel testing program, you are required to quarantine for 14 days upon arrival. There is no option for you to test out of quarantine once you arrive. There are 2 separate post-travel testing programs. One is for visitors and one is for residents. For details, location, and times, visit kauai.gov/COVID-19 and click on one of the post-travel testing buttons. The Aipono Kauai Challenge will celebrate eating local food during the week from Sunday, November 8th to Saturday, November 14th. Points and prizes are available to folks who do the best job of supporting local food systems by things like sourcing food directly from farmers, through farmers markets, eating at restaurants that feature locally grown foods, and support local hunters, ranchers, fishers, and backyard gardeners. For more information on the Aipono Challenge, go to hapahi.org. Salvation Army Adult Rehabilitation Centers will accept donations from 8 a.m. to 3 p.m. on Friday, November 6th at the Kauai Resource Center located at 3460 Ahukini Road. Please check local thrift stores to see if they are taking donations before bringing items to the Resource Center. The program will accept clothing, small furniture, children's toys, books, and shoes. Clothing and textiles do not need to be in good condition. Torn or stained clothing is okay. Please do not bring e-waste, chemicals, appliances, or broken items. For general information about the program or recycling in general, call 241-4841 or visit www.kauai.gov www.kauai.gov/recycling and www.kauai.gov/reuse. Remember, we each have control over our exposure to COVID-19. We can keep ourselves and those around us safe by following very simple behaviors. Most importantly, please wear your mask over your nose, mouth, and chin. Anytime you're around people you don't live with, keep your distance, wash or sanitize your hands in shared spaces often, and avoid large gatherings. Thank you, Kauai, for being responsible. Your diligence is helping us to keep this virus contained. We thank you for understanding the role you play in mitigating the spread of COVID-19 on our island. Please continue to stay home as much as possible. Refrain from social gatherings or public outings. If you must interact with people outside of your home, maintain a distance of 6 feet of separation and wear a mask, if at all possible for you to do so. Remember, my mask protects you and your mask protects me. It's a sign of respect and aloha. Do not leave home if you are sick unless you're seeking medical attention, and then only after calling your doctor first. Wash your hands frequently and clean surfaces often. Stay informed and connected during this time of social distancing. We'll continue to post updates on our official County of Kauai Facebook page or on our Kauai Emergency Management Agency page at www.kauai.gov/COVID-19. The Centers for Disease Control is also updating its website regularly. For more information, please visit coronavirus.gov. Not everyone has internet access or follows the news, so please help to keep your loved ones informed. Be kind, take care of one another, God bless, and aloha.